All right, welcome back, traders, to your Saturday live edition here. Mr. Know It All, your host. Thank you guys so much for joining on this Saturday. What do you guys know? XRP breaking out of the pennant. And we call this back here, man, around 47 cents. We saw a cup and handle formation. If you guys were with us back here in the beginning of March, we said, hey, XRP is going to go to the moon. All right. Here we go, guys. We got the massive move today. We got the nice breakout. We did get a previous day. We got a nice break here on the supply line. On the weekly, though, you guys can see that this asset is a nice bullish engulfing candle. All right, there's really no resistance up here. Probably up until about $1.65. That next major fib extension, you guys can see that here on the chart. There really is no real resistance, I guess, even up till 277 on the weekly. All right, but this can go straight up. It will. It went straight down. It's going to go straight up. All right. How's everybody doing today? Get some hype in the chat. Where is everybody? Good, Joey. I see that you have your power back. That's good. Good, guys. Good. Good. Well, looks like Reef broke out. You're a little concerned about BTC dumping to fill the not yet confirmed CME gap tomorrow. I don't know why you're worried about that. I mean, gaps they're not always going to get filled, man. You know how many gaps there are in the S&P that aren't filled right now? Let's go look at Bitcoin for a second here, shall we? All right. So in theory, Bitcoin can get up to like 200,000. That would match this line, this long-term trend line right here that I have drawn. You guys seeing this? You guys seeing this? You guys awake? You guys alive? Like. We still get up here, man, by the end of this run. You know, everyone's all worried about a pullback. You know, we can get another pullback, but I don't see why. I mean, we just completed an inverse head and shoulders pattern. We're about to break out, literally about to break out. The daily looks great. I mean, I don't know why everyone's like all like bearish and stuff. Like. This is the opposite of bearish, guys. I don't know what the hell just happened to my MACD. Weird. Anyways, yeah, this is as bullish as a chart really can get on a daily time frame. I don't know why everyone is so worried. When we start making bearish divergence, like the other day, like when we had this going on. You know, right here, and I was like, hey guys, you know, we're starting to wean off the positive momentum. I mean, yeah, then you can be worried, right? And we got it. It played out. We got this move down. It was a sharp move down, back down to this trend line support here around 55K. I even mentioned it in the Discord chat to the alert subscribers, guys. If you guys aren't part of the alert service, make sure you guys check that out. Join the Discord, join the movement. Check out what we're doing here, man. I'm posting trades almost every day for you guys. And I think I called this dump like a couple days before it even happened. Let me find it here so you guys, you know, know that I'm not just BSing you, and this isn't just some nonsense that I'm saying on a stream here. All right, find it here, guys. Yes, we will cover URUS. Where is it here? Yeah, this was here it is. I said on April 5th, BTC potential move down to 55K, and I even have the pattern drawn out. And this was a possible scenario. I said a possible scenario. Okay, this was a couple days before it even happened. All right. Anyways, guys, make sure you guys check out the Discord. Let me post that here in the chat for you guys today. What's going on, Leonardo? All right, I've pinned the Discord link to the chat, so you guys can find that. That's right. That's why we're here, man. We're here to help you guys find those opportunities and take advantage of them, right? But yeah, this here looks very bullish, guys. Once we break this neckline on Bitcoin, we're gonna see a lot. We're gonna see a lot higher prices. We're gonna see a lot higher prices once this does break out. Okay. And we can get the measurement here of where we're going to go from the bottom of the candle body here on the daily to the top. Looking at about a 36% measured move once we break to the top side of the range. All right, so this could take some time to get to, but guys, we're targeting 36%, which is close to 83,000 US, 84,000 US dollars. All right, let's just say we do half the move. Okay, half the move is roughly around 71,500 US dollars, right? That's probably going to happen in the next week or two. So everyone on this stream right now, you guys hearing this? Are you guys listening? Daily looks primed for a major move, man. Major move. Anyways, we're going to cover Ethereum. Ethereum also up with handle pattern, right? Major cup pattern, also a triangle pattern that we broke out of, but also a handle pattern here. So looking, this actually looks more bullish than Bitcoin. All right, and our projection here is to roughly that 1272 fib extension, major fib extension at $3,000 area. All right. All right, we're going to cover URUS real quick. We had another one here that looked pretty interesting, was MOD. But we'll get to URUS here. All right. All right, so URUS just downslope consolidation pattern right here. All right, we did break the parabola structure, unfortunately. Did I look up Pi Network? No, I didn't do it. I'll check it out here in a minute, man. We're still making higher lows from this low here, okay, on URUS. Stokes are pointed down here on the hourly. We could maybe come back down to test the $17 area. Possible. That is a major level there. All right. It's gonna, bro. It's gonna. The chart says so. I've been saying this for like, what? Past few months? I mean, you guys, people just don't believe me. People don't believe the chart. says $9. $9 US dollars. I mean, we may not do this whole move. It may just do half, right? You might get to $6. We'll see. Bro, because of me, right? Or because you already were in it or something? Let me know if it was because of me, my influence. I know you've been with the channel. You've been on the channel for quite some time, right? Indeed, William, indeed. LINA was a good one, man. This was a nice call out we had here on this falling wedge. Indeed, William, indeed, indeed. Engine, coin, look at, yeah. Looks like a local top is in. Making a nice downslope consolidation here on engine. We could probably see more downside. This thing is pretty much did almost the entire measured move of the pattern, right? Yeah, we can look at CHZ. Yep, we can look at that. Tomo Chain had a nice breakout, guys. We called Tomo Chain out here. We called LINA out here at around 12 cents. We hit pretty much all these take profits. Every single one on the short term hit, okay? Here was Cosmos. This started to move, I believe. CHZ, we hit some of these take profits as well. Here was Tomo Chain. You know, up to, we hit all these take profits, okay, short term. I said longer term take profits break above 330 price discovery. Take profits up to $4.20 in 5 cent or 10 cent increments you are choosing. Up to, yeah, I said $4.20. We're probably going to go higher than that on Tomo Chain, right? ICX had a nice move, yep. We'll look at CHZ real quick. So we got the breakout. This is the back test. Guys, you guys already know back test, all right? Yeah, we'll look at KuCoin. I'm sure there's definitely more room to grow, man. I mean, we'll take a look at it. Guys, this altcoin rally kind of, I mean, pretty much started, right? To be honest with you guys. Like, we were talking about Total 2 breaking out for quite some time. It literally only broke out last week. All right. Anyways, yeah, CHZ looking like a back test right here. All right. Back test, and you might get a little consolidation here, and then maybe a continuation thereafter. Okay, just wait for the consolidation at the support. That's what you want to see. This actually could be an area where you might see. Yeah, I mean, you just need to probably wait a little bit for this. This did make a move back up to that 53 cent area. All right, yeah, KCS. I think we charted this yesterday or something. I mean, this looks like a major cup pattern, man. I mean, like, bottom of the range, top of the range, 62.50. I'll chart it from the swing low when it got listed. Okay. But I'm going to just chart the range, though. The bottom of this range, the top of this range is 6,250% from the top. Right? So, hang in there, brother. I mean, you got plenty of room to run here on a weekly time scale. You may only do about half this move on this run, but hey, man, you're looking close to $100, okay? Nobody knows where the top's going to be, but, you know, anywhere in this range is possible, okay? LTC shitting the bed. I don't know, man. We called LTC out last June at 40 bucks. Where were you then? $40 entry on LTC. Who was part of the STP community back then? We called Litecoin out at 42 bucks. People were calling me crazy too. We got 50 people on the stream right now. Let's get those likes up. Smash the like button up. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. And make sure you guys tick the little bell, all right? Hey, you guys, tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Eastern, I am doing a group technical analysis Zoom session where I go through charts just like this, teach you guys patterns, just like I'm doing here, but a little bit more in detail, a little bit more hands-on for everybody, right? And we go through some of the STP indicators that you can utilize to help you really understand when to take entries, how to take profitable trades, all right? Looks like Cardano is setting up here, guys. All right, this is a setup. This is a trade setup. Just consolidating up here by resistance, right? You are range bound right now, though. Okay, you are range bound. You are in this tight range you've been in for the last couple weeks. The Zoom. Okay, yeah. So first off, I would say join the Discord. Once you join the Discord, you're gonna find an area here where it says Coach of Clients TA, and everything you need to know is right here in this channel. Or you can just go to the website. All right, but I would recommend joining the Discord because I'm going to be sending the Zoom links through Discord, okay? So, but if you go join the Discord, check out the Coach of Clients TA area under the live trading channel, all right? Join the Discord so I know who you are, your Discord username. I'll be sending out the Zoom links tonight, probably around 10 or 11 p.m. Eastern or EDT. And that way everyone has the link for the morning. And we do I obviously want to meet everybody that is joining the session, so I recommend coming in about a half hour early before the session starts. Do some introductions, get to know people. I want to know what kind of traders you guys are, what you're trying to achieve with trading. Are you a scalp trader? Are you a long-term swing trader? Are you a buy and hold guy? I want to know all that information. Obviously, it's going to help me understand where to take the class and to see what kind of different folks we have in the group, so I know what to focus on, right? Because I'm obviously a more medium-term, long-term swing trader myself. So I look at longer-term charts like dailies, weeklies, and monthlies. And some folks are more interested in 15-minute charts. All right. KJ Money, thank you so much for the $2 super chat. We'll look at Ethereum Classic for you. All right. Well, it looks like we can move the demand line just a bit here. All right, but we're actually breaking out of this triangle right now. So this looks really nice on the daily chart. Looking at about 171% measured move. You guys hearing this? 171% measured move. This is gonna do some funny stuff like Storage did like a couple weeks ago. Like this is a major inverse or major cup pattern, major inverse head and shoulders pattern. However you want to slice it. And there really isn't much resistance up here, guys. Like we're right here. We're right here. Or we're right here. We're at this wick high. Once you break that wick high, there's not much up here, man. 2150. You break that, you're gonna go straight to 27 bucks. All right, there's nothing here. Literally not. There's not too much up here in terms of resistance. Okay. There was like maybe a year or 6 months worth of trading, but like you got straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up type stuff. So we're gonna go straight up, pull back, straight up. Hopefully that answers your question, JJ Money. I think we're gonna see lots of upside here on Ethereum Classic as well. All right. We'll look at Litecoin real quick. Somebody was complaining about it. Let's see. Hey, Bobby. What's up, dude? Litecoin looks great, man. I mean, what are you guys talking about? This looks wonderful. We actually have this nice demand line we're respecting here. We broke out of it. We actually cupped and back tested. This looks like a cup and handle to me. Cup with handle. Okay, continuation. And we're looking at 332 US dollars. Once we get above this fib extension 275 area, there's nothing much up here. Just a bunch of wicks. Okay. And we're gonna, once we break that 383, 385 area, you're in price discovery on Litecoin. AAVE or AAVE. QNT. We can look at QNT, sure. We can look at 1 inch too. Yep. I called QNT out in the alerts chat at $6, guys. Let me show you guys that so you have some understanding about what we're doing here at Swing Trade Pros, what the services are all about. For $67 a month, you guys could have gotten an entry here on QNT at $6.30. Let me scroll back and show you guys where this was called out. It was called back here. I mean, it was called out a while ago, man. And I did give major swing targets on it. Let's find it here for you guys. QNT. Where is the QNT swing trade? Oh, what do you know? XRP at 47 cents. This was back on March 20th, guys. Here's the QNT swing. March 18th. QNT long-term swing to $12.30 area. I called a double up in price from $6.35. Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys reading this? Digesting this? All right. Enough said. QNT today, let's see. So QNT right at a major fib extension. All right, we broke through it actually on the weekly here. So that looks wonderful. That looks great. All right, so we broke above the 618 fib extension, and you're actually back testing it right now on the daily time scale, which is good. All right. This looks like maybe double bottom stuff happening here, right? Bottom, double bottom on the 4 hour. Let's look at the oscillator. You can see that you could be coming out of negative momentum here. Stochastics starting to point back up. You're still in bullish territory. Could be rounding out here. Yep, you could be making a continuation. All right, on up to the next level here. All right. So nice little pennant, nice little pattern here. Carping, yes, we did cover that earlier. All right, so 25% measured move. $20 for QDM here, if we can break out, right? Umar, we'll get to it. We got a couple others here to look at. AAVE 1-inch BNB. We're gonna look at Sushi first, obviously. Thank you so much, Mac, for the $5 super chat, brother. Thank you so much, man. So Sushi. Oh, what's up, Black Sheep? What's going on, dude? All right, so we can see the weekly. We could see some more downside. The candles are yellow right now, right? But I will say this: we are consolidating. We are consolidating at near the all-time highs on this asset. Okay, well, the all-time highs are 47, but let's go to regular candles for a second here. All right, so I mean this weekly closed a Dragonfly Doji reversal candle, but we didn't quite get a reversal. So let's see how this plays out. Sushi, you can see the volume is receding, right? The volume is receding here on the weekly, so we could be getting a spike in volume to come out, okay, on the weekly. On the daily, we can see that we're sort of basing out here on support, on this daily support here, right? You can see this. We're still actually technically making higher lows than these lows here, all right? So let's see if we're in any sort of, we're in a down sloping consolidation. All right, so that looks good. We can maybe call this some sort of wedge pattern, okay? It's not clear just yet. You haven't, I mean, you're starting, well, the daily looks like you could be starting and implying price action to the upside, right? We have this hidden bullish divergence here that's forming. You can see the MACD indicator and signal are looking like they might start to reverse back up. Now let's go to like the 8-hour chart. We can see that we did get across right here. We are still in bearish territory, guys, on the shorter time scales here. On the 8-hour, probably the 4-hour. Getting towards this supply line here, you can see we are showing a bit of bearish activity here on the RSI. We're below 50 on the RSI, so we're in bearish territory for the moment on Sushi. Okay, but we're sitting at a support on the 4-hour. I'd like to see a 4-hour higher candle body close on this asset. All right. We are sitting at a 4-hour major support. The hourly is looking like we're gonna maybe get a spring off this support right now. Let's zoom into like a 15-minute chart. Well, we can see maybe we put in a higher low in here. We tried to rally and got a bit of a rejection here. All right, but if this does close as a higher low, we will definitely see a move back to the top side of the range. We could definitely maybe take a trade on that. That's a possibility. But I would wait until we confirm that before looking for a trade. All right, 15-minute is oversold. Looks like we're in the green band territory here, and we could, on the shorter time scale, get a move back to that $15.10 area. All right. So just pay attention to this downsloping consolidation pattern. If you notice, we get to the supply line and we reject it. You want to wait for another higher low opportunity to go long again, right? So that's kind of what this is in right now. The weekly obviously looks like it maybe put in like a local top. And if we just can consolidate towards that resistance area, that's extremely bullish, and we'll eventually break out of that, but this could take some time, all right? Mac M, I hope that's helpful. We can go and look back to the weekly here for just 1 second. I'll get you some major fib targets on this asset, okay? All right, so we're sort of in the middle of the range, right? We're sort of in the middle of the fibs right now. So like I said before, we could maybe just chop around here before we really find some support. Okay, there really isn't any support. I mean, yeah, you have some here at like 11 and change and 12 and change in this range here, but you're just down sloping right now, all right? Consolidation. All right, so the next $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Umar Khan. Thank you so much, man. UDT. Let's see. Let's take a look at UDT. WETH pairing. All right. I mean, yeah, very new chart, but you can see a flag, an upslope consolidation, another flag. We're in a consolidation again. So you're consolidating nicely up here. You can see the volume is receding though. So there could be another major move coming. You are consolidating up here by resistance. So this is looking bullish. All right. You can see that we are holding this demand line here as well. And if we do break out, we have a major opportunity to the upside. 2,000% measured move once you break this major trend. Okay. 2,046%. If you can hold this demand line and hold this area here. Now this is versus ETH, right? So what we could do is we could actually multiply it times ETH USD and get a true dollar amount on this. So here you go. It's 1,757 US dollars today versus the dollar. We're looking at, you know, if this consolidation plays out like I said before, we're looking at from bottom to top, 2,700 or 2,800% measured move. This is a major move, guys. I don't think we're going to do this whole move, but it's totally possible. We do something crazy like this in this bull market. Let's see. I'm going from swing low to swing high on the wicks. I would say about half the move is possible, okay, up to this 1272 bib extension, longer term, all right, longer term chart. If we hold the demand line here, all right. And well, yeah, the daily is actually implying a higher low here on the RSI. You're sitting at 52 on the RSI, so very bullish, right? Let's see, what else did I miss? BNB, let's see, AAVE, Duckcoin, never heard of that. Let's see. Yeah, we'll cover BNB real quick. All right, BNB just hit a major fib extension here at 470. All right, on the 4-hour time scale. You can see that it's trying to wick here and trying to make a higher low, right? You have this low here. You can see we're sort of trying to make a hammer candle here on the hourly. But this, if we can get back above it, we can maybe continue the trend to the upside. Coming out of this negative momentum here, you can see we did have this little island here histogram to imply a continuation if we start coming out of negative momentum, all right? Just pay attention to that. If not, we'll just make a lower high and we'll probably just continue downslope and consolidate and in this range here, all right? But we did basically do almost the whole move of this pennant, so just be aware that if we do see continuation, I do see us going probably up to this next fib extension around this 550 area and maybe overshoot a little bit close to like 570 at 580 area. All right, but if we don't, we're looking for a downslope consolidation pattern to form here, and you know, maybe get a 30-40% correction and then continue back up. All right, form a new pattern. All right, that's BNB. If you guys are enjoying the stream today, make sure you guys smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. We've been live here for 34 minutes. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Let's see what else we got here. We got, what did I miss? AAVE. My computer is really lagging hard today. Anyways, so downslope consolidation pattern, broke out of it. Back tested it, consolidating here right at the breakout back test confirmation area. All right. It's not confirmed yet for a continuation, but looks to be like it's forming one right now. Just upsloping consolidation. I'm making higher lows on the 4-hour and higher lows than these lows here. Kind of upsloping in that RSI band. We're in the middle of the range. The 4-hour actually about to cross bullish here. We're sitting at 49 on the RSI. Once you cross bullish there on the 4-hour, you can expect higher prices and probably trade back up to the top side of this range. It's $400 to $420 area. All right, and once we break that, you're looking at 461 and on up to the top side of the range if you can continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Okay, that's AAVE. Let's see, SKL 1-inch and SXP, ING, INJ. Oh yeah, forgot OMG as well. The OMG in a weekly breakout right now. You guys can see we broke this major supply line here, which we did have a major move for it. Okay, longer term targets up to this $11-12 area, the 786 pip extension. Once we're done pulling back and back testing. And then once we break this $11 to $12 area, looking at $17, and then on up to all-time highs, $30 for OMG, and obviously new all-time high areas, $100, $200 on this run, possibly. Okay, I say possibly because I don't know how far this is going to run. Right. So what else did I miss? 1-inch. Yeah, 1-inch on the weekly looks beautiful here. You can see the consolidation bullish rectangle forming here on the weekly. Beautiful looking pattern on the weekly chart here for 1-inch. So you're looking your major targets here. Looking at about a 3,200% measured move out of this area here, okay, longer term from the range breakout, okay, you know, up to maybe close to $55 on this run, guys, okay, longer term. But this looks extremely bullish here. In the short term, we're looking at this range break here. We're looking at about a 71% measured move once you break the all-time highs. So you're looking at about a $10 or $11 1-inch double up in price. Okay. What else did I miss here? SKL and SXP. Okay. SKL, man, in a pennant up here on the weekly time scale, and the daily looking like it might try to break out today. Right, we're implying this divergence here on the daily oscillator, MACD oscillator, with a low and a higher low on the momentum, with a higher low on price as well. Stochastics just crossed up, also showing that higher low on the stochastics as well. We want to see a break above this supply line here. That's going to be crucial for a breakout. Okay. You can see the 4-hour higher lows here as well. Getting close to a supply line, and you can see the bands kind of consolidating parallel with each other. That means we could be going into a nice squeeze there on the 4-hour. All right. And major upside targets here on SKL, about 115% measured move once you do break out of the triangle, and you're looking at about $1.65. You might do about half the move. The falling wedges usually trade up to the top range. $1.11 is your major swing target for that. And once you do break out of that, you're looking at making maybe a cup and maybe a handle pattern or a continuation, right? It's SXP. All right, we got the breakout on SXP, right? Ascending triangle, breakout, back test, continuation. You even made a higher high on this candle. Looks like you're making another higher low here on the 4-hour. Let's zoom out to the weekly and see where we're really at. Okay, man, you're talking about a major range breakout, and you know, your major targets for SXP from bottom of the range to top of the range, 639% just on this little consolidation we had. We're looking at major swing targets of close to $30. Maybe we don't do the whole move on this run, but we might, because that doesn't seem like a very big amount. We're looking maybe close to that $11, $12 area longer term. INJ. If you guys are enjoying the stream today, make sure you guys smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. If you guys are interested in any of the STP products, make sure you guys join the Discord, join the movement, check it out, invest in yourself today. Tomorrow we have a 11 a.m. Group session, technical analysis session you guys should definitely be a part of. It is going to help you learn how to trade for yourself, invest in yourself. It is a recorded session. You will get a copy of it after the session is done. I definitely go over the hour. You can look at the reviews online. You can look at the reviews in the Discord, SCP testimonial section. Look at the Profit Gains channel. Let's see how everyone is doing. Okay. Will XRP overtake BNB on market capitalization? I don't know. In Injective protocol here, let's see what we're doing here. We're sort of making this cut pattern on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. We can see maybe you're getting close to that topside resistance. What you don't want to see is a lower high being made here, because then you'll make a double top if you do that. So we don't want to see this close here lower, all right? Because if that happens, we're going to see, you know, a move back down to support. Okay. Angelo, we covered LTC earlier in the stream. Yeah. So Injective maybe. Yeah, I don't know, man. The daily's showing some sort of signs of divergence here on the stochastics. You know, you're pointed down here. You could be making a lower high, all right? But so far, you're still making higher lows from this low. So higher low, higher low. If you can close a higher low, you might be able to make a continuation back up, all right? But so far, you're just trading within this trading range here, and you've made a lower high at this point. All right. You don't want to see this close as a lower high, because you will make a move back down. Unless you can continue to hold this demand line here, which is what I was saying before. If you continue to hold the demand line, you can continue to trek back up and move your way back up to the top side of the range and use this as support to eventually break out. All right. Have we looked at DOT? No, we haven't. We have not looked at DOT. I'll take a look at it. So DOT, bullish rectangle, broke out of it. Looks like we back tested it. We back tested it here and sprung and have been making higher lows. And basically, we covered XRP earlier in the stream, brother. Make sure you scroll back. All right, so we're still holding this demand line here for DOT. Okay. We made some lower highs up here. We got this move down. Looks like we're maybe making another lower high here. But if we can hold the demand line, then that'll be good. We can just consolidate along this demand line. If not, we're looking at maybe a move back down to the support 3850 area. All right, on DOT. If we hold we want to see this demand line hold. That's what we want to see on DOT here. If the demand line can hold here, then we can can make a move back to the top side of the range. Hey, no problem, Angelo. FTM, yeah, we can check it. All right, FTM still at the demand line, right? This is probably a nice buying opportunity right here, as long as we don't break below this, right? So yeah, we're making like maybe like close to a pin bar here, right at this demand line. This could be a nice long opportunity if we make a higher low candle body close here. That's what you're looking for. 8 hourly and 4 hourly candle body higher low for a nice little move back up to the top side of the range. Maybe even eventually break out of this range and break out of the major downsloping channel. Okay. What's happening with XRP, man? We broke out. You could back test your breakout, consolidate for another move, right? So if we break the demand line, we got plenty of downside to be had. If we hold the demand line, well, we're going to go back up to the top side of the range. It looks like a momentum shifting structure, right? You can see the low, higher low, higher low, higher low, right? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Are we going to make a higher high? Because that would be shifting the structure back to the upside. That's what we want to see on FTM. All right. All right, I'll be right back for one quick second, guys. Just a quick bathroom break. Give me two minutes. All right, sorry about that, guys. We got time for a couple more tickers here today. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. All right. UMA looks like it's just starting its run too. Broke out of the pennant here, back testing it. See on the weekly, man, this is about to go nuts. All right, next week is going to be a big week for UMA. TRX probably going to head back up to 15 cents. All right. Nice little pullback here on the weekly. Back testing it. ICX, sure. Kind of what I had drawn out here, a back test and probably a continuation. Right. You know, next major fib targets here up to about $4.75. Once you break back above that $3.20 area. NPX. Not really sure where I can chart that. Are you talking about Pundi? Never heard of Napoleon X. Is it a small cap? I'm guessing this is it. This looks interesting, right? Looks like it just started. The new coin. There's not much data, but you know, going into these bull runs, you can see you start to make higher lows. Okay. It's not really too much data though, but now bottom of the range, top of the range, you're looking at 520%. If you can break the top side of the range, okay, 519%. You know, you might do half the move first on the impulse. I assume that this is it, right? Yeah, I think I'm looking at the right chart. Only an 8 million cap. On Uniswap, right? Yeah, I got the right one, I think. 31 cents on Uniswap. Yeah, you're holding demand lines here. D-Sync, what's up, dude? How you been, man? Probably true, man. Probably true. All right, guys. Hanging in there, brother. Hanging in there. Thank God everything's good. Everything's good. Family's good. We're all good. Alright guys, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Join the Discord here if you guys are trying to invest in yourselves, learn how to use the STP products. We have the STP real-time trading indicators if you're new to trading and you want to learn how to utilize the indicators here to help you learn what you're seeing on the chart, how to take a trade, when to take a trade. The alert service that I run for STP, having about an 80 to 85% win rate. Long-term trades posted for you guys in the Discord daily. All right, or if you guys are interested and you guys have the capital to do so, and the keyword is have the capital to do so, because for this indicator, you're talking about life-changing potential money with this indicator, guys. All right, the SAR indicator is one of our best products that we offer. Has about a 98.6% accuracy on the signal. You guys can go check out the Discord and all the profits posted daily here. I'm going to show you guys real quick right now what's going on. Here you go. His results for 30 days on a $4,000 account. $1,500, man. $1,500 on in 30 days on a $4,000 account. That's over 25%. Hopefully, hope you guys know that. Okay, that's almost 30%. All right, it is around 30%. All right. Anyways, so you guys can scroll through the profit gains here and see what's going on. Past 30 days on a 10K account, he's talking about $5,000. That's 50%, 53% return in 30 days. All right, this gentleman here averaging, 1% a day. Is there help in setting it up? Yes, there is help in setting it up. We have guides for you guys. We also, if you need more help than just the guides, you guys can get one-on-one coaching sessions with some of our bot experts here. Canadian CEO, STP Todd, Mass. He's not on the stream today, but Mass is another gentleman here that has been really helpful in the SAR. All right. Make sure you guys come and check it out. We also do have the signals on 3Commas if you guys are not interested in setting up TradingView and you want to just utilize the signals that we do have on 3C already, auto set up for you guys. That is there for you. So make sure you guys come and join the Discord. Come check it out. See what the community's doing. We're gonna probably do some giveaways here soon. So come check it out. Join me. I do live Discord sessions sometimes for free to get you guys on some free trades. For those folks that aren't part of the services, that are just learning and trying to understand what's happening on the charts, okay? So make sure you guys come and check it out. Come join us. Support STP if you guys are liking the content here. Make sure you guys, again, smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button, and tick the little bell. We'll see you guys tomorrow for the Bitcoin weekly and daily candle close. We'll be on at 7 p.m. Eastern. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great weekend, guys. Catch you guys soon.